If you're a homeowner in Sumter, you know how challenging it can be to keep indoor temperatures comfortable year-round. Hot, humid summers and chilly winter nights can quickly drive up energy bills, especially if your patio doors aren't installed correctly. While many people focus on the door itself, the truth is that proper patio door installation plays a major role in energy efficiency and long-term savings. Why patio doors matter more than you think. Patio doors are one of the largest openings in your home. Because of their size and frequent use, even small installation mistakes can allow air leaks, moisture intrusion, and heat transfer. Over time, these issues force your HVAC system to work harder, increasing energy costs and reducing comfort. In Sumter's climate, where air conditioning runs heavily for much of the year, properly installed patio doors help maintain a stable indoor environment by minimizing heat gain and preventing cooled air from escaping. Airtight sealing makes the biggest difference. One of the most important benefits of professional patio door installation is airtight sealing. Gaps around the frame, even tiny ones, can allow outside air to seep in and conditioned air to escape. This leads to drafts, uneven temperatures, and higher utility bills. Professional installers ensure the door frame is square, level, and securely sealed with proper insulation materials. This creates a tight barrier that keeps hot outdoor air out during the summer and prevents heat loss during colder months. Improved insulation and thermal performance. Proper installation ensures that insulated glass and energy-efficient materials perform as intended. Even the best patio door won't save energy if it's poorly installed. When installed correctly, modern patio doors with double pane or low-E glass help reduce heat transfer and block UV rays that can overheat your home. In Sumter homes with direct sun exposure, correct installation helps reduce indoor heat buildup, keeping rooms cooler without overworking your air conditioner. Preventing moisture and humidity problems. Humidity is a constant concern in South Carolina. Improper patio door installation can allow moisture to sneak in, leading to condensation, mold growth, and even structural damage over time. Moisture issues also make your HVAC system less efficient, as it struggles to manage both temperature and humidity. Professional installation includes weatherproof flashing, proper drainage, and tight seals that protect your home from excess moisture while maintaining consistent indoor comfort. Smooth operation helps maintain energy efficiency. A patio door that doesn't slide or close properly often leaves small gaps when shut. Over time, worn tracks or misaligned frames can worsen air leaks. Proper installation ensures smooth operation and a secure seal every time the door is closed, preserving energy efficiency for years to come. This is especially important for families who frequently use their patio doors, whether for backyard access, entertaining, or enjoying warm summer evenings. Long-term savings and comfort. While professional patio door installation may seem like a larger upfront investment, it pays off through lower energy bills, fewer repairs, and improved indoor comfort. Homeowners often notice more consistent temperatures, reduced drafts, and quieter interiors almost immediately after installation. Over time, energy savings can offset installation costs while increasing your home's value and comfort. A smart upgrade for Sumter homes. In Sumter's climate, energy efficiency isn't just about comfort, it's about smart home ownership. Proper patio door installation ensures your door performs at its best, helping your home stay cooler in the summer, warmer in the winter, and more efficient all year long. If you're considering upgrading or replacing your patio doors, focusing on professional installation is one of the most effective ways to protect your investment and enjoy lasting energy savings.